Hello, I welcome you all to your own channel MSK Learnium. Now, in this video, we will discuss the linear differential equation of first order. So, first of all, we need to understand that which type of equation is a linear differential equation of first order. So, we have that an equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x, right, is a linear differential equation of first order. So any equation which is in this form, we call it as a linear differential equation of first order. So is known as linear differential equation of first order, right? To get the general solution of such equation, there is some working rule. So now we will see first the working rule to get the general solution, right? So here we have working rule, right? If any differential equation is given in this format, and then you have to find out the general solution of the given differential equation, then what are the working rule we are going to discuss, right? So now here, let's say the linear differential equation LDE I'm telling, right? So this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x, right? So first working rule is that we have to find out the integrating factor. So you can say write the integrating factor. Okay, so what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor we can calculate if is equal to exponential of integration of p of x dx. Whatever the px term is given, whose integrating factor we will calculate, right? Second rule is that we need to solution is given by that is in this format, y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q RHS, right? Integration of RHS into integrating factor, right, of dx plus c. There c is the constant, right? So this we can write, that is in this format also you can write y into if, that is integrating factor, is equal to integration of q of x, right, into if dx plus c, right? So this is how you can simplify. You'll get the general solution if the differential equation is a linear differential equation. So we will see this with one example, right? So now we have a problem is given on the screen, that please write down, that solve x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log of x, right? So if you look at this equation, that is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log of x. So this equation, first we can simplify this equation. So we can write this equation in the format that solution, let's take x as a common. So this equation will become dy by dx plus y by x is equal to log of x by x. Is it or not? Now if you compare this equation with the given whatever we have discussed here, this dy by dx plus p of xy is equal to qx. So dy by dx, p of x in terms of y is nothing but we have a 1 by x, and qx is the log x by x. So now we can say here the above equation is of the form of dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. Is it or not? Right? Where p and q are function of x only. So in this format we have it that the dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Alright, now so wait. So again here we go, that we can say from that equation, if you compare this, you'll see that p is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to log x by x. Is it or not? Right? Now first of all, working rule is what? We have to get the integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to e integration of p of x dx. Alright, so this is what, integrating factor, that is if. So e integration of p of x is nothing but you have a 1 by x, right, into dx. So it will become, that is e to the power of log x. Why? Because 1 by x integration is log x. So after simplification it become x, that is if integrating factor we got for this 1 by x is nothing but the x, right? Then we have, now we can write down the general solution of the given equation, that general solution. So what is the general solution here? The general solution will be like this, that is, you know, y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c, right? So here y is y only and integrating factor we got x, right? Q is equal to what? Q is equal to log x by x. Integrating factor we got, that is x into dx plus c, right? So again on simplification this will become xy is equal to, here you can say this integration, its simplification will be x into log x minus 1 plus c, right? So this is what you got. The general solution of a given equation is nothing but xy is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. So this is the required general solution of the given problem, which is given in the equation, that dy by x into dy by dx plus y is equal to log of x. So this is how we will solve the linear differential equation of order first, right? Thank you.